I just ran out of battery then. Yo, how are ya? It's Chriso. What I was saying, yes, you try and make everything symmetrical. That's the word, symmetrical.
Fiddly, fiddly. Yeah, I get that. Oh, that's too long. It's going to be too long. Oh no, I might be right. Let's give it a go. That's better. All good. DIY's all good. Get across. One on there. Even up your lines. Bring that over. Okay, look at that. What do you think? The owner wanted to put in another tile as well, and I think in the small area it would have been a bit bitsy. That's quite cool, I suppose. Yeah, give us an opinion on it. You know, the colour. Would you have it? It's sort of quite arty. A little bit. Okay. On to the next. We'll see you soon. Ciao.